That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Hey guys, what's up? I just installed a tint on my car, and I purposely just tint the windscreen on the side of the window, the rear and the back, but left the front untint. The reason is because I want to do a comparison. It's important to know that the tint that I put on my car is really effective, and I'm super amazed. I'm so impressed with the result. It turns out to be a huge difference with and without. And also, do you notice that my tints are not dark? The reason is because I spent quite a bit at the track at night, and I like my vision to be clear, so having a dark tint it's not good for me. Therefore I chose almost clear tint on my car. Having a clear tint does not necessarily mean that it's not effective. A lot of people tend to have a very dark tint on their car, which looks cool, yeah, I agree, but then for me, what matters is safety. Safety comes first, because visibility is important, especially when you have a bad weather, heavy rain at night, even foggy and stuff like that. A clear tint will always provide a better visibility. Earlier I mentioned that I purposely have the tint on my window but not on my front windscreen. It's because I wanted to do a comparison. So by putting my hand in front and my hand on the side, both are under the sun, it's clearly I can feel the difference, big difference, that the tint actually worked really well. So now that I know the tint is good, effective, and it works well, so now I'm going to go back and finish off the front windscreen tint. So I will have a comfortable car with clear visibility, and I will definitely enjoy a lot more. And the other thing that I want to share with you, the tint technology today is amazing. It's not just about heat, but it also prevents you from getting skin cancer. As we all know, UV is a very harmful ray. It's not healthy for your skin. So this tint from Xpel has got all those technology built in it, and it really not just preventing getting rid of the heat, but it also protects you in the car in terms of health. The range that I picked for this car, it's called Prime. It's one of the top of the range. You pay for what you get, guys. So I believe we only have one body. Health is important. Skin, it's something that we must always take good care of. So if you are interested, leave me a comment, let me know. I can hook you up, or you can actually go to their website, Xpel Malaysia, Google them, just give them a call and tell them that you're interested in their product, and I promise you will not regret it. Okay, so yep, that's it, that's all from me. I will talk to you guys again later. Bye.